Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a SQL query to display the second highest salary from employee table. So let's start. So first I have to connect to database. So I have already made the employee table. This is the employee table for where I have to write the query. Now I have to open the query tab. So there is so much of query tab. So to open the new query tab, I have to go to file. From file, I have to go to new query tab. So this is my new query tab. So the query will be like select maximum salary means employee salary which is mentioned in the employee table. Employee salary from the employee table I have to select. So I will write like from employee table. This is my table. So employee table. This is my inner query. So from the inner query, I have to write the outer query so that it compares both the query and give the result. So select maximum employee salary from employee table where I have to give a sign that this is a compare sign where employee salary is after this give the sign it will compare to both the query. So I will see the output after this. Okay, so I have to give a bracket. Yeah, it's done. So the output will be it's showing some error. Oh, I have given the spelling mistake, so I will correct it. Employee salary. Yeah, it's done. So the output is 4,000. So 4,000 is the second highest salary from the employee table. I have made the employee tables that from which 4,000 is the second highest salary. So hope you understand this tutorial. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will make more tutorials in this topic. Thank you so much and please like the video.